Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make microwave popcorn. So this side, so I've opened the outer packaging. And it says this side should be up. The yellow thing should be upside, facing upside. The yellow patch should be facing down. So if you have a 1000 watts microwave, it has to be kept for 3 minutes. If it's lesser than that, it might take more time to get cooked. So let's try it out. So the yellow thing should be kept down. So I've already switched on the microwave. Let's put this inside. Okay. So it says not to leave the microwave unattended because it grows in size by 10 to 12 centimeters. So I've kept it in center and the yellow side has been facing downwards. Okay guys, so we're gonna close this in and we're gonna set a timer for 3 minutes. So I accidentally put more than 3. So let's put 3 minutes again. And let's start it. So here it is getting started, and let's see how does it get cooked in the microwave. So when to know when to stop? So there should be 2 seconds gap between the two pops. That's how you know when to stop. So let's wait for it to start. So we got the first pop. The bag is began to expand in size. It is expanding, as you can see. It is expanding in size as it starts popping. One minute to go. This looks so beautiful, popping inside. This is better than the normal way because the normal thing leaves a very messy vessel, and it's kind of more scary than this. This is much safer. Still popping. Just increase the timer a bit because eventually you're popping. I increase the timer by 30 seconds, so 3 minutes 30 seconds. That should be perfect because the popping is stopped. And yep, that's it guys. Popping is stopped and the the popcorns are done. Let's open this. Let's remove it out. So it's just, the bag is kind of hot, guys, so you have to just be careful while removing it off. So here it is, guys. The bag is expanded in size and the popcorn is hot inside. So this was the safest method to make popcorn in the microwave. And here's the popcorn, guys. It is nicely ready. So let's open it. You can see the steam coming out of it, and it is nicely done. So enjoy, guys, a bunch of hot popcorns. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.